The Cleveland Clinic, of course, is among the top in the nation when it comes to treating pediatric cancer. But overall, research and treatment for kids with cancer struggles when it comes to funding.
This issue was brought to our attention by 12-year-old Sasha Friedman, who we introduced you to last night at 11. She is hoping the Cleveland Clinic's breakthroughs will be approved in time to save her life. Maureen Kyle has the story.
Never had those days, so stuck in the mundane.
Sasha Friedman has a beautiful voice, a heart of gold, and a body that is in a constant fight against cancer.
She does have 5 nodules in her lungs right now that are on the CT.
I didn't know there was 5. I thought there was 3.
There are 5.
For 2 years now, Sasha has been battling the rare Ewing sarcoma.
I try to focus only on the positives. If there's one person in the world that survived this cancer, like, what did they do? And so Dr. Anderson, in all the forums, if you have a complex case, everyone's like, consult with Dr. Anderson, consult with Dr. Anderson.
Dr. Pete Anderson has a reputation for being the leading expert on Ewing's, and families like the Friedmans flock to the Cleveland Clinic to get treatment from him.
Although I don't do Facebook very often myself, Facebook has made my life much busier because patients will talk to other patients.
In Sasha's case, he treated her tumors using the treatments currently available.
We came up with a special recipe, if you will, but we did that because we know how to cook.
But he, along with Dr. Timothy Chan and other specialists at the clinic, are working on a recipe for something that would be even more effective for kids with Ewing's. Dr. Chan's team has been studying the effects of immunotherapies, allowing the human body to fight against cancer.
In the last 10 years, we've really converted metastatic melanoma to something that's actually survivable. The 5-year survival, for instance, is about 50% now, whereas when we started out, it was maybe 1%.
Using this method, they think they've found the formula that would hit the right targets for pediatric cancer patients, specifically Ewing sarcoma.
The work that we're doing right now, specifically with the Ewing's cancer, is one of the few cancer vaccines now based off of this concept of neoantigens, right? These tumor-specific targets.
The vaccine formula is almost complete. It will then go to the FDA for approval, then to clinical trial.
Now, in terms of neoantigen vaccines, this is seen now as probably one of the top 5 innovations probably for the next 5 to 10 years.
But it wouldn't be available to kids first. The trials are given to adults. Sasha's wait would be years.
She would be on a waiting list like everybody else. And what I tell families like Sasha's, it's important to have the least amount of disease for the longest period of time. She's definitely a good candidate from the markers.
I look so cute.
But Sasha, the girl with the golden voice who found the right team, doesn't have time to spare. What she does have is hope. Maybe for her, but mostly for all the kids battling Ewing's.
Remember the love that lights your way.
The vaccine, that is one of the biggest hopes, I think, because there's really not a lot of funding, especially for pediatric cancer, because there's just not enough funding for it.
And you just heard Sasha say that there is not a lot of funding for it. One of the challenges Dr. Chan described to us is that pediatric cancer research and trials are among the lowest funded. Tomorrow, how pediatric cancer research is funded and the surprising force behind it.